What's up, everyone? So today I want to do an unboxing video and kind of like a review all in one. When I originally bought my welder, it was, okay, let me rephrase. I had bought a welding helmet that, I mean, it was fine, don't get me wrong, but it just seems like I could not see. So once I get to I mean, it was completely clean, everything was fine, the batteries are good, all that. It was auto darkening, everything. But for whatever reason, it just wasn't allowing me to see very well. The arc was fine. I had to lower the darkness a little bit, and then be too bright. Like there was no, like there should have been like 3 steps in between what I actually had, and maybe it would make a big difference. So I decided to get a different one. So I'm going to do a unboxing and kind of like a general test or thought on this one. It is a Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. Part number is K304, K3034-4. It's nothing fancy. It's not the one that has like skulls and everything all over, just a plain black one. I don't necessarily need to have, you know, an artistic feel when it comes down to my helmets. Oh, maybe someone does. I don't know. If anything, I'm sure you could buy a skin for it. So we have a box in a box. Weld Fabulous. Oh, you can get a discount on CK Worldwide torches. It's not a bad deal. Let's see here. A air-cooled 17 flex valve. I don't know if I like that. Let's see. Is there? We'll read that later. Some packing bubbles. Don't need. We have the box. Okay, what is this? Same thing. Oh, wow, you can get a full bottle of 80 cubic foot of argon for like $280. Luckily, my local welding store just kind of does like this trade program. You give them your bottle, you pay them like $40 or 50 or whatever your size is, and then you get a full container of gas. Comes with a nice little bag. That's going to get instantly dirty. I'll just put it right there. Looks like we have some additional lenses. There's some more reading material on it. Graphics may vary naturally. Oh, it does come with stickers. Interesting. Maybe I'll let my artistic side come out anyway. And that's about it. So that's all that's in the box. Let's see. Let's actually look at the helmet here. So this is supposed to be one that has like a different type of lens on it. And I guess these are supposed to be far superior when adjusting everything, or at least easier. Okay. Looks like we have a film in here. Oh, and then that just came completely out. Take off that little warning sticker. It's telling you not to do this without any type of battery in there. Okay. So I like to have almost no delay, sensitivity to pretty much high. Don't know what that is. Oh. So apparently this is good for cutting too. So they have shades 5 through 8, which is not one you want to use for welding, and then shades 9 through 13. So let's change this to like 12. It's probably pretty dark. Let's put it on the head. You're just going to look at a table while I do this. And that thing keeps falling out. Yeah, it's pretty nice to actually have it. It's definitely going to require a little bit of getting used to. It's not too bad. Test button works. There's the test right there, and just darkens, and it gets dark, so that's good. So I'm going to do like a quick tack on something and let you know my opinion. Okay, well, so I did about 3-4 minute practice weld under some aluminum, and it seemed to be pretty good. I'm still going to be reading some of this, apparently. You know, like the grind feature and all that. Excuse me. But I do have to say, it's substantially better. The light is more of a blue. I tried to get you in there, but it just wasn't working out very well. My camera's not set up for that. All it shows is like a hint of blue light, and then it gets foggy and it's nasty. So you have to take my word on that one, unfortunately. But it is a whole lot better. Word of caution: when you tighten up this mechanism to, get a secure fit on your head, do not, and I mean do not, have your hair very close to it or in there, because it kind of scalped me. It just dug in there. Other than that, it was very responsive. I'm able to see substantially better now. It's a very comfortable helmet. It's a very large view. So yeah, I like it. So it can be a welcome addition to the shop. So the reason why I got this was because, like I said, the other one just wasn't very good. And being blind, I'm sure has its advantages somewhere. I don't know. I'm not blind. And to be honest, I don't want to be blind. So a good helmet is very important. And this is going to be one of those that kind of helps prove that. Um, the I don't want to say like the first time I used the other one, I just kind of felt like it was just inadequate. But just to put it on the safe side, one of the main reasons why I got those two was I had a pair of UV clear glasses that are supposed to block out like 90% or something like that. And just for the safe end, I wore those just because I just wasn't quite sure about the safety of my other one. So I don't worry about that now. Granted, it's not the next day, so you probably won't notice it until the next day. But I can tell already it's a lot better. It's a lot nicer. Out of a 10, I would say probably a probably like a good 9.5. I mean, the only thing I don't like was just getting my hair ripped out right there, and it these adjustments for the top of your head, they're a little quirky, to say that. Especially this one. This one was not the easiest to adjust because you do have to press in on there. I don't want to undo it, but and then put it on. Try to take off very carefully, and so on and so forth. It just was aggravating. But once it's set, you only do that once. So I don't want anyone else with bigger head or a smaller head to use yours. This is the grinding feature apparently. And yeah, so 9.5. It doesn't fall. That's another thing that my other one did a lot. Like you'd always end up kind of going inside with like a neck ache because you're tipping your head back so much, and I'm not a fan of that. So other than that, just the hair thing, and it's being a little difficult to adjust. That's it. It's a pretty good helmet. I like it. Well, if this helped you out, or you have any questions about it, or you have one and you want to discuss it, leave a comment below. If you're thinking about buying one and you want to go over a couple things, definitely message me. I'd love to talk about it. I actually probably use it in another hour or so once I put everything away, and maybe I'll put an addendum to this on the end of it. Who knows? But yeah, this is the unboxing and general review of the Viking helmet. It's very nice. I would highly recommend. It's a very professional grade quality helmet that isn't too expensive. It's definitely more expensive than like those, I don't know, the ones that have like X's and I's everywhere in it. Who knows what they're called? But I have no fear of having any damage to my eyesight. It's very comfortable. I can see, which is a big improvement over the other one. A big improvement. And it's just a nice helmet. Well, yet again, definitely subscribe, put a thumbs up. I'll catch everyone later. Throw a comment below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good night.